Hi there, this is Clint with Clint's Classic World. We did a quick interview while we were at the Chrysler Nationals on a gentleman who had a 1970 AAR Cuda. Just a quick interview. Wanted to talk to him briefly about it. It was a very nice car, so stopped him, talked to him. So let's check this car out.
Let me ask you, what would be your name of your YouTube channel?
Okay, what was your name?
Craig Kugel.
Okay, tell me about this car that you got here. It's this AAR, because man, it's really nice. It looks like you've done a really good job.
Well, it was a 7-year-long restoration. There's been nothing but came off this thing. There's been a lot of sheet metal changed out because it's originally a Michigan car. It was quite rusty.
Michigan car, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm from Michigan.
Okay, okay.
And some of the parts, when we done it, they weren't, AMD wasn't repopping the metal and stuff as they are now, so it was a little bit harder to do a restoration back then.
Right. Use other cars or donors and stuff.
Exactly. We were coming here for 20 plus years picking up parts where we could find them and
yes,
stuff.
Yes.
Because back then, even the internet wasn't set up like it is now.
Right,
know?
right. No, it's very nice. Is it a factory rim blow car?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
And those are original tires on the front, the E's.
Really?
And you can't get those anymore. And they're basically, they reproduce them. These are reproduced G's on the back, and there's no problem with those.
These back ones are reproduced here?
Yes.
And then you say these front ones are original, huh?
Original.
Wow. So do they run? Do they drive kind of squarely on the road?
A little bit, but this thing doesn't see the road. It's only in and out of the trailer.
Right. I know. No, I know what you're saying, because I had a E-body, a 70 RTSE I restored, and I tried to put original tires. Man, it was kind of weird. It kind of felt like it moved on the road.
Yeah, I mean, I got a late model Challenger, and that thing runs. Drives.
Yes.
But it's not this cool.
Right. Oh no, these are definitely cooler. Yeah, you're definitely the coolest guy on the block when you're driving, right?
Well, it doesn't see the light of day very often. The last time I was last year at this show.
Well, tell me about this engine bay and stuff. That's tell me the work that you kind of did here.
Well, the engine was basically intact, and we bored it 10 over. As we found out,
the 346 pack.
346 pack. Somebody bought it out of Michigan. He was and he joined the service. It went out to Washington. They were drag racing. Flattened the cam, and it sat in a drive-out basement for a lot of years.
Oh wow!
So it only had 17,000 miles on it, but they were hard miles, and they had rust in a lot of places. I mean, there's new quarters on it.
Okay.
Front fenders, new trunk floor. I mean, just a lot of sheet metal.
Wow.
It was so rusty in places that you wouldn't expect.
Well, it looks great now.
Yeah, so it's a lot of work.
The undercarriage is painted as well. It's detailed.
It's supposed to be like black rust proofing on it, but I couldn't bring myself to do it.
Was it so on this car you have the build sheet as well?
I have the build sheet for a different one.
Oh, okay.
And it was common because of the black interiors. They get them mixed up. So I have another AAR Cuda build sheet, but not this one.
Okay, okay.
But we decoded the fender tag and with the options, So.
Okay, cool. No, and so, this would have had the soundproof deadening, or was it the factory overspray and stuff like that?
Yeah, they sprayed it black undercoat.
Yeah.
But I just didn't want to do that. So
it's all good. Yeah, no, it looks great.
I like it green.
It looks great. It looks great. Well, I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Your car is beautiful.
Thank you. Nice talking to you.
Take care.